Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use trailing stop on MetaTrader 5. When trading, it's essential to not only focus on potential profits, but also to protect those profits from sudden market reversals. That's where a trailing stop comes in handy. A trailing stop automatically adjusts your stop loss level in the direction of your trade as it becomes more profitable, helping to lock in those gains. In simple terms, instead of manually moving your stop loss every time the market moves in your favor, the trailing stop can help follow the price automatically, giving your trade room to grow while still protecting part of your profit. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps of setting up a trailing stop on MetaTrader 5, specifically on the desktop version. This is useful if you're already in a trade and you want to manage that open position more actively without constantly watching every price movement. Let's get started by opening the MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have your platform ready, the first thing you'll need to do is bring up the toolbox. You can easily do this by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. This shortcut is one of the fastest ways to open the area where your open trades, account history, alerts, and other important trading information can be found. The toolbox is a multifunctional window that provides you with access to various trading and account features within MetaTrader 5. Within the toolbox, you should see several tabs. What you're looking for is the Trade tab. Click on this tab to view all of your open positions. This is where you can see details like the symbol you are trading, the lot size, current profit or loss, and any stop loss or take profit levels that may already be attached to the trade. Now locate the specific position that you want to protect with a trailing stop. Right-click on this position to bring up a menu of options. Make sure you are selecting the correct position, especially if you have multiple trades open, because the trailing stop will apply to the position you choose. Once you have that menu open, hover over the option that says Trailing Stop. This is where you can set the parameters for your trailing stop. The distance you choose will determine how closely the stop loss follows the market price once the trade moves favorably. You'll notice that some preset distances are available, such as 15, 20, or 50 points. These presets offer a quick way to set a trailing stop to a standard distance. If these options fit your trading strategy, simply click on the distance you prefer. For example, a smaller distance may protect profits faster, but it can also close the trade sooner during normal market movement. A larger distance gives the trade more breathing room, but it may also give back more profit if the market reverses. However, if you require a more customized approach, some versions of MetaTrader 5 might provide an option to set a custom distance. To do this, select the Custom option from the menu, and you'll be able to enter a value that suits your specific trading needs. Keep in mind that the choice of distance should align with your risk management strategy and market conditions. For example, a volatile market may need a wider trailing stop, while a calmer market may allow for a tighter trailing stop. Once you've selected your desired trailing stop distance, it becomes active for that particular position. This means that as the market price moves favorably, your stop-loss order will adjust incrementally to follow the price, providing a buffer of safety against reversals. This can be especially helpful when a trade is moving strongly in your direction, and you want to protect gains while still giving the position a chance to continue. And remember, if the market does reverse by the distance you've set, the position will then close at the stop-loss level, thereby securing your profits up until that point. This is the key purpose of a trailing stop. It helps you stay in a winning trade while also giving you a clear exit if the market turns against you. It's that simple. Setting a trailing stop helps ensure that your trading strategies offer both growth potential and loss protection. As always, it's important to consider how your settings align with your overall trading goals and market analysis. A trailing stop is a useful tool, but it should still be used as part of a complete trading plan, not as a replacement for good analysis and risk management. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips, and if you're using MetaTrader 5 regularly, learning how to manage open positions with tools like trailing stop can make your trading process more organized and more disciplined.